Scott Finn, Men's Hard Reset. A lot of people are trying to pull you into emotional noise because they have no direction themselves. They want your attention. They need your reaction, your anger. Don't give it to them. They're emotional vampires. A man that's rebuilding his life does not have time for constant conflict. You will win more arguments with silence than with words, because silence shows control, confidence, and shows you're no longer addicted to proving yourself to everyone around you. That's maturity, growth. That's true power. Subscribe to Men's Hard Reset. We're resetting with one good decision at a time. And do the team here a favor. Leave a comment what you would like us to talk about next. I'm Scott Finn. Peace out.